Hand inputs activating in 10 seconds.
You are disappointing. Elegance and agony.
Microsoft just changed the game, literally. What if AI could generate gameplay in real time, adapting to every move you make? That's exactly what Muse AI is designed to do. Unlike traditional tools that rely on pre-scripted mechanics, Muse AI reacts dynamically, helping developers test and refine gameplay faster than ever. Built in collaboration with Ninja Theory, this AI isn't here to take over. It's here to supercharge creativity, making prototyping smoother and more efficient. So, how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Muse AI is powered by WAM, World and Human Action Model, a generative AI designed to predict movement, physics, and in-game interactions in real time. Microsoft built this system using 7 years of gameplay data from Bleeding Edge, a multiplayer battle arena game developed by Ninja Theory. The depth of WAM's training is staggering. It has analyzed over 1 billion image action pairs, allowing it to recognize patterns and anticipate how different in-game elements should interact. This makes it far more dynamic than conventional procedural generation, which typically relies on predefined rules and static algorithms. What sets WAM apart is its ability to adjust gameplay based on player behavior. Instead of simply following scripted logic, it dynamically responds to inputs, ensuring that actions feel natural and immersive. This creates an experience that is not only more fluid, but also more adaptable to different playstyles. Fatima Kardar, Microsoft's Vice President of Gaming AI, has highlighted the impact of this innovation, describing Muse AI as a major step forward in generative AI for game development. For studios, this means a faster and more efficient way to refine gameplay mechanics without getting bogged down in extensive manual scripting. And that's exactly where Muse AI's true advantage comes in, speeding up development without sacrificing creative control. Traditionally, game developers have to script and test countless interactions manually, adjusting mechanics through trial and error. This process is time-consuming, requiring extensive iteration before reaching a polished state. Muse AI significantly reduces this workload by automatically generating prototype gameplay sequences at a resolution of 300 by 180 pixels and 10 frames per second. While these visuals aren't intended for final production, they serve as a rapid testing tool, allowing developers to see mechanics in action almost instantly. Instead of spending hours or days scripting an interaction, teams can input scenarios and let Muse AI simulate how the gameplay unfolds. One of Muse AI's standout features is its ability to remember and retain developer changes. When provided with 5 edited image inputs, it successfully preserves 85% of those modifications, ensuring that AI-generated sequences align with creative intentions. This eliminates a common frustration with procedural tools, where AI often overrides human input, forcing developers to start from scratch. By cutting down on repetitive tasks and offering intelligent iteration, Muse AI is reshaping how games are fine-tuned. And who knows, with these advancements, perhaps we'll finally see the long-awaited release of GTA 6. Now that would truly change the game. Microsoft's demo of Muse AI highlights real-time gameplay generation, showcasing how developers can input different scenarios and instantly observe how the AI responds. This instantaneous feedback allows teams to rapidly test and refine gameplay mechanics without the need for extensive manual scripting. Instead of programming every possible interaction, developers can focus on designing unique gameplay experiences while Muse AI manages the underlying mechanics. The demo demonstrates how quickly the AI generates gameplay sequences, reacting in real time to player actions. Developers can set up a scenario, such as a character navigating a challenging environment or engaging in combat, and Muse AI generates the corresponding gameplay actions on the fly. This is particularly useful for iterative design, where quick adjustments can lead to major improvements in gameplay quality. Moreover, the adaptability of Muse AI allows for fluid gameplay sequences that feel organic. Unlike traditional procedural tools that often produce predictable outcomes, this AI's responses differ based on player behavior, ensuring a fresh and dynamic experience with each iteration. This ability to keep gameplay feeling natural and responsive is a significant advancement in AI-driven game development. In practical terms, this means that when a developer modifies a character's abilities or changes the layout of a level, Muse AI can instantly generate gameplay scenarios reflecting those changes. This eliminates the time-consuming process of recoding or adjusting scripts for every minor tweak. But how does it all work? Behind Muse AI's impressive capabilities is a foundation built on rigorous research and collaboration. Microsoft's AI team partnered with 27 industry professionals, including game designers, data scientists, and AI researchers, to ensure that Muse AI delivers gameplay sequences that are both logical and adaptable. This collaboration resulted in the creation of a model that understands the intricacies of gameplay interactions and how players engage with game mechanics. The significant aspect of the research is Muse AI's ability to maintain consistency in gameplay while accommodating changes made by developers. It can effectively integrate these changes into future iterations. Muse AI could help preserve classic games by enabling portability to modern platforms. However, this raises ethical concerns about losing the original artistic essence, as it may not fully capture the nuances that make these games unique. Moreover, Microsoft has made the technology more accessible to the development community. By releasing the model weights, sample data, and the WAM demonstrator on platforms like Azure AI Foundry, developers can explore the capabilities of Muse AI and experiment with its potential in their own projects. This openness not only accelerates innovation, but also encourages feedback from developers, which can lead to further enhancements of the model. This raises exciting possibilities for the future of game development. Its focus on enhancing gameplay mechanics while maintaining developer creativity positions it as a valuable tool in the industry, paving the way for new ways to approach game design and player interaction. In the rapidly evolving realm of AI in gaming, Microsoft is making waves with Muse AI, but it's not alone. NVIDIA has also entered the scene with AI-powered NPCs that respond dynamically to in-game events, making interactions feel more authentic and immersive. Consider characters that adapt their behavior based on your choices. It's the next big phase in gaming. Meanwhile, Google DeepMind's Genie 2 impressively generates entire 3D worlds, allowing developers to craft expansive environments without painstakingly detailing every aspect. However, what sets Microsoft's Muse AI apart is its targeted approach. Instead of trying to automate the entire game development process, this AI focuses on refining the prototyping and testing stages. This targeted focus enables developers to retain their creative control while benefiting from AI assistance. It facilitates quicker testing of gameplay mechanics, allowing studios to experiment and iterate without the usual delays. While NVIDIA's NPCs enhance character interactions, Muse AI provides developers with a platform to input gameplay scenarios and see how the AI reacts in real time. This immediate feedback loop allows teams to refine their concepts, leading to more innovative gameplay that might have been sidelined otherwise. Moreover, Muse AI ensures that human creativity remains central to the development process. While tools like Genie 2 can create impressive environments, it is dedicated to enhancing gameplay experiences and allowing developers to mold their games according to their vision without the fear of being overshadowed by AI. So, what does this mean for the future of game development? AI tools like Muse AI are designed to assist rather than replace human developers. Their purpose is to streamline the creative process, enabling developers to focus on storytelling and gameplay innovation. Dom Matthews, the studio head at Ninja Theory, emphasizes that with Muse AI handling routine prototyping, developers can dedicate more time to crafting engaging narratives and unique gameplay experiences. This shift allows for a more artistic approach, where teams can explore new ideas without being hindered by repetitive tasks. Currently, Muse AI primarily focuses on gameplay testing, but the future holds exciting possibilities. What if it could assist with AI-driven level design, helping developers create intricate game environments based on their inputs? Additionally, consider the impact of real-time physics adjustments, making games even more responsive to player actions. Such advancements would elevate the overall immersion and engagement for players. Furthermore, there's the potential for real-time difficulty balancing, where games could adapt challenges on the fly based on player performance. This adaptability could enhance player satisfaction and lead to a more captivating experience. As Muse AI continues to develop, it is poised to make a significant impact on the gaming landscape. We are entering a new era where AI plays a vital role in shaping game creation and player experiences. As we dive into this exciting new era of gaming, Muse AI is shaping how developers bring their ideas to life. By streamlining prototyping and keeping creativity at the forefront, it's making game development faster and more innovative. So, keep an eye out for what's next in gaming tech. And if you want to stay updated on all the latest innovations, make sure to subscribe for more fun insights.